Hello, Dileep.
Hello,
How are
ma'am.
you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, Dileep. Okay. Yeah, Dileep. This is Megha from Quality Department.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Okay. First of all, good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. Myself, Dileep, I am from Telangana, Telangana in Warangal district. I have completed my graduation in SITS College, which is situated in Hanmakonda. Then I purchased a CSM course at Bangalore. Present, I am in Bangalore. I did CSM and IDM course in Bangalore. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, good, Dileep. Yeah, Dileep. How did you got to know about CMTI?
I got to know about CMTI through social media, ma'am. While I scrolling Insta, I found that about CMTI. So I start followed CMTI and I called to my coordinator and she told me about that CMTI details. So I joined in CMTI, ma'am.
Okay,
Through
that's good,
social
Dileep.
media. Through social media, I joined, ma'am.
Okay, social media. Okay, that's good, Dileep. Yeah, which course did you opted for?
CSCM, ma'am. Advanced
CSC.
Construction Management.
Okay, certificate course on advanced construction management. You have
Yes, ma'am.
opted. Okay, what did you learn in that course, the training period, Dileep?
Its training period is 3 months, ma'am. I have learned about quantity surveying, of use of drones in construction field, about green concrete and BBS and AutoCAD, SketchUp.
Okay, right. It's good. And how about you said you have learned the softwares, right?
Uh,
So what are the softwares? How did it help for you?
I learned MS Excel, MS Project, and Google Sheets and SketchUp. It helped me through that SketchUp helped me through to how to design a building and interior designs. Through that only, I got some opportunities.
Okay, that's good, Dileep. And how was the trainer's motivation for you?
Yeah, trainer's motivation is very good, ma'am. During site visits, Redappa sir told about the he's our coordinator. He explained all the things during site visits, like construction, how it is going on, what materials are used, how is it built, what is the project cost, what is the estimation cost. He thoroughly explained the details in site visit, ma'am. And Ashok sir motivated a lot, ma'am. He did weekly conferences and assignments. By that we got motivation and we get good communication skills, ma'am.
Okay, that's good, Dileep.
Okay.
It was nice hearing with you. And how did the CMT have helped you?
When I missed the classes, I went through CMT app. When I was not feeling well, I some classes missed. The recording classes helped me very good, ma'am, to learn.
Yeah, the pre-recording video classes help you to watch again, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that's good. Yeah, Dileep. And at last, what you are wishing to say your friends and juniors?
My friends and juniors, I will refer to them about CMTI. It is they are providing very good knowledge to us. I definitely refer to my friends and my juniors to go through CMTI.
Okay, that's good, Dileep.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good. Yeah, Dileep. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Once again, all the best for your futures.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Well,